How to unfriend someone on a Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to unfriend someone on your Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log in to your account. Now head towards that icon at bottom left corner of the screen. You will land on this chat section where you can simply search for the friend whom you want to unfriend on Snapchat. Suppose if this is the user, then tap and hold a particular person and tap on Manage Friendship option. And here you will see different options under Manage Friendship, that is block, report, remove friends and edit name. Simply, in order to unfriend someone on Snapchat, tap remove friend. If you are sure you want to remove this person from Snapchat, tap remove button and this user will be removed and be unfriended on Snapchat, and their chat won't be shown on the chat section. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.